Well, my experience here at SATC has been very positive. Instructors genuinely seem to care that you're learning the material and are willing to help you out if you're struggling in a certain area. You can get a certificate in a one-year course versus having to go 4 years at a larger name school.
I particularly liked about Salina Tech was that the tuition was affordable. The instructor has extensive experience in this field.
SATC has helped prepare me for a career in this field, learning the specifics of everything from the books and being out working on the live equipment directly. The school has direct courses that pertain to specific studies and relatively get it taken care of within 1 or 2 years.